On behalf of Telangana Chamber of Industry, I cordially welcome all of you to the 4th edition of Sri Shakti Awards and to the grand launch of TCI We Hub Mentor program. The events industry in India and globally has undergone major changes in the past 2 decades. The event term itself has evolved from social events to almost every happening in both private and public sectors to turn into a celebration. The event industry is expected to cross 10,000 crores by 2020-21, as per the reports of CAGR, Compound Annual Growth Rate. However, I feel that this number is much larger as we are yet to streamline the data collection in this drive and in this diverse and largely unorganized industry. Not just in the numbers, the event industry shares excellent synergies with tourism, culture, and entertainment sectors. Events industry enhances destination profiles, creates platforms for business and society partnerships, builds vibrant communities, enhances visitor economy, and stimulates the infrastructure. The industry employs both skilled and unskilled people, and anyone with talent can start own business without much educational background. Thanks to all these multiplying impacts, governments all over the world started recognizing the event industry. There cannot be any better case study than Hyderabad, where we promoted MICE as a vehicle to bring in investors and hold effective conversations. However, we need to do a lot more, not just in MICE, but in events, entertainment, and culture segments as well. We have a lot more challenges in the quality of event and culture infrastructure. Policy issues, lack of support for entrepreneurial and professional excellence. In an effort to address these challenges, the Telangana Chamber of Events Industry launched in the year 2015, immediately after the Telangana state formation, was launched by none other than Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu. Our Honorable Minister, our goal was to build the all-diverse industry, bring in the stakeholders in the events under one platform at TCI. We are now a 7-year young not-for-profit association with 200 plus members, 7 representing allied associations. Thanks to the efforts of all the founding members, past presidents, key office bearers, and volunteers, we have an amazing traction in creating platforms for business networking, knowledge sharing, health and wellness, as well as education. Going forward, we have set a bigger goal for us, which you see in the souvenir book placed on the tables that we are launching today. One of the areas of our focus is to strengthen women leadership in events. The year gone by has been shocking for our association in that we lost our founding member and General Secretary and a dear friend, Shri Neeraj Thakurji. He was a dynamic and efficient person who relentlessly worked for the betterment and progress of TCEI. 3 years ago, under the leadership of Neerajji, TCI has initiated the Sri Shakti Awards on the occasion of Bathukamma Festival to encourage women leadership, which has now become a flagship awards program. This year is a major milestone for us as the Telangana government has blessed us. And for this, we owe our thanks for the excellent support from Shri Jayesh Ranjan ji and Srimati Smita Sabarwal ji. Thank you, ma'am. Today, we have two important things happening. One, fourth edition of Sri Shakti Awards. The awards have been selected by a professional jury member body after 2 levels of screening. Out of 150 applications, we have selected 40 nominees from across the country in 3 segments: Stri Shakti, Stri Murti, and Stri Ratna. The award winners represent both entrepreneurs and professionals. This festival is about celebrating the spirit of woman. The woman was born with a multitasking blessing, which is one of the major skills to enter the events industry. However, this is not a 9-to-5 profile and profession. We are required to work in odd hours, in odd places. Our work demands us to travel, and very uncertain where managing business and family becomes a challenge. Irrespective of these challenges, today we as many women, as many men are running events successfully, producing events, leading their brands and their talents, and we should be acknowledged. So let's put our hands together for the women in the events and entertainment and culture industry. We hope these awards will become a global platform to recognize and reward these women. And my advance congratulations to all the women who are going to receive the awards this evening. The second most beautiful part of our program today is the launch of the first of its kind TCEI V-Hub Mentor Me program. As I said, we would want more women leaders, young women and men, to come and respectfully challenge each other to shake up things, think more creatively, and make space for voices and ideas at all levels of leadership. It is important for us to mentor them and to guide them. We needed mentors who just don't give them the task to complete, but to take extra moment of the action or decision. We should all be mentoring and demonstrating that there are no barriers to success due to gender by sharing, showcasing other women leaders, successes and business. For this first time, we are launching this evening the mentor panel. Thanks to Smita Madam and Deepti Ravula ji for having supported the idea and helped us come together. And last but certainly not least, I would thank our TCI leadership team, key office bearers, and the TCI Sri Shakti Awards 2021 organizing team who have worked relentlessly for the last 1 year to create this amazing program and making difficult decisions and ultimately keeping our community connected through the difficult times. I couldn't ask for a better group of strong women and men to have come alongside me and women who truly care about the future and the legacies of women in the workplace and in our industry. Once again, I welcome all of you to the most prestigious awards and mentor program launch. Thank you and namaskar.